Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through self-esteem treatment plans. A self-esteem treatment plan is a tailored guide that helps individuals in developing and maintaining a healthy sense of self-worth and self-esteem. With this plan, you can recognize and challenge negative self-talk, as well as promote positive self-care that emphasizes a compassionate attitude towards yourself. Set appropriate goals and boundaries, and also cultivate a support network. Clients can build a strong relationship with themselves and focus on their thoughts, emotions, and goals. To create realistic goals, start with page 1. Fill out specific goals, action steps, timeframes, and the process measures that will be used. The next step is to answer all the questions on all of the pages in about 1 to 3 sentences. Finally, you'll then need to store the document securely. To use the treatment plans in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab. There you can filter by note and by community to view our entire collection of notes. If you'd like to find the specific note faster, type in the keyword self-esteem. Click on the template by selecting the Choose Template icon and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where all of the relevant information is created for you, ready to customize, and click Publish once complete.